13 Japanese nationals back from Wuhan, China have been taken to medical institutions with flu-like symptoms, including fever and cough. A second charter plane from the coronavirus epicenter, carrying 210 Japanese nationals, arrived this morning at Tokyo's Haneda Airport. Ambulances took the 13 people with symptoms directly to medical facilities. Buses took those not showing symptoms to the National Center for Global Health and Medicine in Shinjuku to be tested for the virus. After that, they're expected to stay at the National Police Academy in Fuchu, Western Tokyo, and other locations for observation.